This is how to make the R-Orb. Right over here, R-Orb. I made it a bit worse because I didn't have any glue or a yellow ball or any yellow paint. But I only had yellow paper and some tape, so that's it. And this video will teach you how to make the R-Orb.
I'm gonna use this green ball because I don't have a yellow ball. And I'm gonna use this yellow sheet to cover it since I don't have any yellow paint.
Pretty bad, but it works. Just this much left. Here, as you can see, I've covered it. It's a bit bad.
I mean, it works. Like, okay. And all we need to do is just stick it. You can use either super glue, Fevicol, any glue, PVA, any type of glue, and just glue it onto the ball. In this case, I made the ball a bit too big and it's a bit crappy. I didn't have any glue to glue over yellow paint, so I just had to take a bunch of tape and a bunch of yellow paper and just things can happen.
And with my amazing art skills, I was able to just take a red pen and take a red vermilion marker and just with my I took this and just boop with my not so amazing art skills. So you need a color printer for this. And if you want, you can make some extra protection. I forgot the name of it, like Flip or Valid. I forgot what type of paper. But with my not so amazing art skills, I colored this with red and I set it to grayscale on the printer. You need a color printer, but I didn't actually get a model for this. I actually just took an R ball and then took a picture, screenshotted it on the laptop, cropped it, then I just downloaded an image of the actual R-Orb. Then I just cut the orb out of the R. There it is. So now what we'll need to do is just stick this onto that. You can turn this into a sticker by doing some steps, I don't know. But this is the back side because I used Ohuhu. It really bleeds too thin paper and this is way too thin for Ohuhu. So that doesn't look as perfect. But okay, so now this is the last step. All I need to do is just stick the orb to the R to make the R-Orb. So I'll just take this and I have to take some tape, or you can use glue, whatever you want. Put it on and then tape it. This will look a bit bad in my version because I have to tape it instead of actually using glue. But instead of actually using glue, because I don't have any glue right now at my house. So I'm just trying to get the least amount of tape on top of the R. Okay, so then I'll just keep it on.
Okay, now all I need to do is just add a little bit more tape over here. Some tape over here. Oh wait, I cut this too long. And I'll just cut it into 2 pieces. Put a little bit over here. And with glue, it's much more simple. But I don't have glue at home right now, and I'm a kid, so I can't really get any sticker cutters or sticker makers. So this is a finished product. I made it a bit bad, but it's nice. It actually looks like an R-Orb for me. So that's how you make the R-Orb. And credits to that one person who also made it with all of the proper equipment. You should subscribe to that person because they make really good videos. I kind of forgot their YouTube channel name, so I'll just give the credits in the description. And I can't pin comments right now, so I'll just give the credits in the description.